In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video on Google Meet. Whether you're hosting a meeting, giving a presentation, or just having a virtual get-together, sharing a video in Google Meet can greatly enhance your experience and convey your message more effectively. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, make sure you're logged in and have your Google Meet session open. Once you're in the meeting, you'll notice a row of control options at the bottom of your screen. These controls are your gateway to sharing content. Look for the Present Now button. It's usually symbolized by an icon that looks like a rectangle with an upward pointing arrow. Click on that button to begin the screen sharing process. Once you've clicked it, a menu will pop up giving you three options: your entire screen, a window, or a tab. For sharing a video, we particularly recommend using the A tab option if you're playing it from a browser. This specific option is generally the best for videos because it allows you to share not only the visual content but also the audio directly from the tab with crisp quality. This is important because you're ensuring that everyone in the meeting can see and hear the video clearly. After selecting A tab, you'll be shown a list of open tabs in your browser. Navigate through this list to find the tab that contains your video. Click on this tab to highlight it. However, before you proceed to share, there's a small but crucial step you shouldn't overlook. At the bottom left corner of this window, you'll find a checkbox or toggle that says Share Tab Audio. This is a very important step, as it ensures that the audio from your video will be shared along with the visual content. Missing this step could result in a silent video being displayed to others in the meeting, which is not something we want. So, make sure to click to check the box or toggle on this option. Once this is set, you can go ahead and click the Share button. By doing this, you're now broadcasting the selected video tab to everyone in the meeting. A small notification will usually appear, indicating that you're sharing that particular tab. You can always check this indicator to confirm that you're sharing the right content. Remember, while sharing your screen, you can always switch to another tab yourself or even pause the video, and adjustments on your screen will be directly reflected in the shared window that everyone in the meeting is viewing. And there you have it. Sharing a video on Google Meet is as simple as that. Just remember the key steps: using the Present Now option, selecting the right tab, and crucially, enabling the audio sharing feature. With these steps in mind, you're all set to make your virtual presentations more engaging and effective. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps enhance your Google Meet sessions. Happy sharing?